In this video, I will be walking you through how to create and delete new events on your time. For the first example, I'm going to walk you through how to add new events inside of an item that you're creating in the plan. So we're going to go to the plus button in the bottom right. I'm going to go to income and other income. Let's say, for example, that Amy is going to have some freelance work that she's going to do for a few years, and that's going to bring her about $35,000 annual into her income. And so what I want to do is go to the timing screen, and rather than selecting the events that automatically pre-populate, I'm going to double click in the gray here and say that this starts in the second year of the plan. We're going to set that as our start event. And then let's say that it ends at age 60. We just double click in the gray above the year that we would like it to be created. We've got Amy starting her freelance business at age 53 and ending it at age 60. We're going to click done to save that. And then the next thing I want to walk you through is going over to the timeline. What if your client has an event on the timeline that they would like to delete? If you go to your timeline, you can hover over all of the event icons and see what they represent. Let's say, for example, she's decided she no longer wants to remodel the kitchen. You're going to see that this event affects the timing of one item with this blue banner here. So you're going to ask it to show you the details. You're going to click on the item. And then once you've deleted the item that it's connected to, you'll be able to go back to the timeline, open up that event, and then you'll see the trash can icon populate so that you can now delete it from your plan. So this kitchen remodel is no longer in the plan. Also, if you want to move anything on the timeline, all you would need to do is click and drag. So let's say she's decided that she's going to work until age 65. Just click and drag, and then if you need to move it back, same method. The next thing I wanted to walk you through is how to add a new event to the timeline. So we're gonna, from here, the plus button in the bottom right, going to click an event. Amy has said that she would like to buy a boat at some point. So we're gonna put buy a boat. She doesn't know how much that boat is going to cost, but she would like to do it sometime around age 60. So we're gonna just put it on the timeline. We have this buy a boat. You can click on it and see that it's not connected to anything. There isn't any monetary value attached to it, and we can delete it if we need to. But this is just a marker on the timeline to let the advisor know that next time you meet, maybe have a discussion about this and see where we're at with that. I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us by clicking the name of your client in the top right, request support, enter your message into the text box, and share client access. Thanks for listening.